Now we bring you a big news from the Supreme Court. Supreme Court seems to have frowned upon the bail that was given to Kannada actor Darshan. Remember, Darshan is the same man who was accused of killing one of his fans for allegedly sending lurid messages to his partner, another actor. Now, Supreme Court has said that they don't think that the High Court exercised discretion while giving bail to the Kannada actor Darshan. Karnataka Police has taken this case to the Supreme Court now and has pled against the bail to the actor. And Darshan, as we told you, is accused of killing Renuka Swamy, who was a fan of his. Now, for more on this, I'm joined by Anisha Mathur. Anisha, the Supreme Court seems to be taking some sort of they're not really happy with the way the order was dictated by the High Court, it seems. They're saying that it was the High Court did not exercise their discretion properly. What does the Supreme Court really mean by that?
This judgment that the Karnataka High Court, the Karnataka Police has come to the Supreme Court against, that judgment had granted bail to the actor Darshan. The Supreme Court bench headed by Justice Pardivala taking note that there are certain observations in the judgment that they are not happy with. In fact, the court clearly observing in this matter that take a look at what the High Court has said in its judgment. We are not happy with what they've said. We're not convinced that the High Court's order was correct. However, the court did not take any action today, did not pass any orders today, because Senior Advocate Kapil Sibal, who was appearing for Darshan, has raised the argument regarding the evidence in this case, has said that the court should not look into the arguments or the averments made before the High Court. It should look purely on the issue of evidence and whether there is enough evidence to keep the actor in jail. On that aspect now, the court said that, well, we will pick out the issues that we will point out what we have objection to, and now the hearing will be next week. But for now, no orders have been passed by the Supreme Court. Back to you.
Thank you, Anisha, for bringing in this.